Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a new listing of ours. This is a brand new trade-in. It's a 2023 Scout 355 LXF. Now that we're in the cockpit of the boat, you'll see this boat is great for fishing. It's got a huge cockpit, nice and wide, nice and deep, as well as a live well in the back or insulated live well box. Fish boxes both port and starboard. We love the accessibility from Scout with their transom access door. This boat opens up, gives us full access across the back of the boat, as well as have a standard swim ladder in the back, but as well as a port and swinging door on the port side. In the back here, you'll see this back seat pivots out. Creates a nice lounge for 4 people to sit comfortably, and then quickly tucks away, converts it into a fishing cockpit. We have an aft seat here on the back of the leaning post. Again, comfortable for 2. Backrest flips down, makes it a nice little entertaining spot for the bar. Over here on the port side, we'll have our, again, standard in-swinging door, dive door. This does have a ladder. That door clips away. Ladder plugs in, comes right off to the side. And you have easy access. You also have a freshwater shower as well as raw water rinse down right here. So whether you're coming in the boat, rinsing off, or you're spraying the deck down from catching a fish. This is our helm. We have twin 16-inch Garmins, digital display. We've got our Mercury vessel view display. Again, our joystick from Mercury with skyhook, GPS anchoring, and as well as autopilot. We have VHF up to the top. You'll see this is the Midnight Edition, so all of our metal and as well as our underside of our hardtop is in the black. We have the Grigio interior, so the light gray with the cream to mimic the Scout white gel coat. 3 independently controlled helm chairs, armrests. They are all independently heated as well. We have, at the helm, we have AC and dash vents that are displaying nice cold air to you. Glove box with charging ports, and we'll take a look downside. Now that we're in the cabin, you'll see we've got a nice pedestal sink, vacuum flush head system, refrigerator, storage drawers, as well as storage cabinet for our filler cushion. But you'll see I am 6 foot for reference. Inside, you have storage behind the cabinetry there as well. But nice, comfortable, sitting 2 to 3 people, you know, heading to dinner, getting out of the wind, but as well as convert it to a berth. And now you've got AC down here below as well. So you can have 2 people laying comfortably full length underneath. You have a TV as well as with DVD player incorporated, and as well as GL audio speakers that incorporate your sound stereo from up above. Systems access all held and hidden behind all these panels. But yeah, great use of space. Scott did a great job. Alrighty, now that we're in the bow of the boat, you'll see we got the V-shaped seating in the front. Dual loungers, both port and starboard. I'm 6 foot for reference. Nice, perfect gunnel height for your arm to rest. Recessed combing rails. Rod holders, rod holder cup holders. We have storage under both port and starboard. Those are gas shocks and as well as insulated cooler boxes. We always like to point out the fit and finish underneath the Scout lids. We have a systems access or a great storage for extra additional life jackets or fenders. These forward backrests do remove, so on those busier days, you can have more of a bench seating rather than having the lounge seat. We have storage underneath the lounge seat here, but nice, comfortable lounge seat with contoured cushions for 2. We have a center armrest that comes down, as well as exposes cup holders. We have convenient gunnel trays there, throwing dock lines, throwing your personal items. Those all tuck away. This boat is equipped with a windshield wiper, forward floodlight, as well as a radar from Garmin. Moving down the starboard side here, we have a gaff locker or brush and storage locker. Big hardy door from Scout boats. Back here to the starboard of the helm, we have storage drawers, and on the port side, we have a trash receptacle. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed our tour of our 2023 Scout 355 LXF. Again, this is a recent trade of ours. If you guys would like to come see it in person or come go on a test drive, please give us a call at 843-747-1889. And again, I'm Dotson Guys with MarineMax here in Charleston. Thanks for watching.